Hi students, welcome to our channel. This is Kiran. Today we are discussing about introduction of introduction of blood, blood components, blood components and blood groups, blood groups, and last final one is antigen, antigen and antibody, antigen and antibody. Today we are discussing about introduction of blood components, blood groups, antigen and antibody. In first of all, today we are discussing an introduction of blood. Blood is a semi-solid, semi-solid liquid, semi-solid liquid. It means it having liquid portion as well as solid portion, liquid portion as well as solid portion. Next, blood is flows inside the blood vessels. Blood is flows inside the blood vessels, inside the blood vessels, blood vessels and circulate entire our body, entire our body, entire our body. Next one, an human adult, an human adult having 5 to 6 liters of blood, 5 to 6 liters of blood, 5 to 6 liters of blood. Semi-solid liquid portion, liquid, semi-solid. It having semi means liquid portion, solid means solid portion. Next, blood is flows inside the blood vessels and circulate entire our body. And human adult having 5 to 6 liters of blood. Next one, blood is a red in color. Blood is red in color, red in color. Why? Because it is due to of hemoglobin, due to of hemoglobin, hemoglobin. Next topic, blood components. Second topic is blood components. Blood components. Already you know, blood having solid particles as well as liquid particles. Take one blood sample. The outer liquid portion is called plasma. Liquid portion is called plasma. Liquid portion is called plasma. Some of the solid particles is called blood cells. Blood cells. Blood cells are solid particles. That's why blood is semi-solid. Semi-solid, it having liquid particles as well as solid particles. Next, what is plasma? What is plasma? First one is plasma. Plasma, it having 90 to 92 percentage of water. 90 to 92 percentage of water, and 7 to 8 percentage of it is made up of proteins. Next, 1 percentage inorganic substances, and some amount of 0.04 percentage it having salts are present in the particular plasma region. The function of plasma is plasma carries digested food and waste materials from one place to other place of body. Other place of body. The most important point is plasma having antibodies. Plasma having antibodies. Next component is blood cells. Second component is blood cells. Blood cells are solid particles or solid substances. The blood cells having, it is divided into RBC, WBC and blood platelets. I will explain one by one. First, RBC. RBC other name is erythrocytes. RBC other name is erythrocytes. It carries, red blood cells are carries oxygen from lungs to all the parts of our body. All the parts of our body. Next, the RBC lifespan is 120 days. RBC lifespan is 120 days. Blood cells having, it is three types: red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. I am discussing about red blood cells. Red blood cells other name is erythrocytes. The major function of erythrocytes, it carries oxygen from lungs to all the parts of our body. The lifespan of RBC is 120 days. Next one, second one is WBC. WBC other name is leukocytes. And nucleated having nucleus, nucleated, absence of hemoglobin, absence of hemoglobin, and the major role of WBC is fight against diseases. That's why WBC are the soldiers of our body. Next, the WBC is divided into two types of cells. In presence, based on granules are present or not, it is divided into granulocytes, and other one is agranulocytes. And agranulocytes. I will give more information about granulocytes and agranulocytes. The granulocytes are three types. Neutrophils. Second one is eosinophils, and third one is basophils. We'll explain first one, neutrophils. That neutrophils other name is microscopic policemen. Why it is called microscopic policemen? Some of the foreign particles are entering into our body, that time fight against that particular foreign bodies. That's why neutrophils other name is microscopic policemen. Next one, it having 2 or 3 lobed nucleus. 3 or 4 lobed nucleus. Next, once check the diagram of neutrophils, it having 3 or 4 nucleated lobules. This is the regarding neutrophils. Next, eosinophils having bilobe nucleus, to control allergic conditions. To control the allergic conditions. Once check it, eosinophils having 2 lobe nucleus is present. 2 lobe nucleus is present in the particular eosinophil. Next one, in basophils having S-shaped nucleus. S-shaped nucleus is present. S-shaped nucleus is present. Once check it the diagram. Inside the nucleus is S-shaped. This is the information regarding granulocytes. Granulocytes are three types: neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Next one, agranulocytes. Agranulocytes. Agranulocytes means second one is agranulocytes means granules are absent inside the cell. Granules are absent inside the cell. Based on the granules are absent, it is divided into lymphocytes, and other one is monocytes. Once check it the diagram, lymphocytes having spherical nucleus, and monocytes having bean-shaped nucleus. Bean-shaped nucleus is present in the particular monocytes. This is regarding agranulocytes. Next one, monocyte, other name is scavengers of our body. Monocytes, other name is scavengers of our body. And next topic is blood groups. In the year of history of blood groups, in the year of 1901, American scientist Karl Landsteiner discovered blood groups. In the year of 1901, American scientist Karl Landsteiner discovered blood groups. As for Karl Landsteiner, blood groups are four types. According to Karl Landsteiner, blood groups are four types: A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group. These are the blood groups. Once check O blood group, A blood group, AB blood group, B blood group, and AB blood group persons. O blood group, A blood group, B blood group, and AB blood group persons. Why only O blood group persons are called universal donors? Why? Because O blood group persons donate blood. O persons, A person, B person, and AB person. A blood group person gives only A and AB. B person gives to B and AB. AB person gives only AB. That's why AB blood group persons are called universal recipients. Why? Because AB person receive the blood from all the group persons. Is it clear, everybody? That's why AB blood group persons are called universal recipients. Antibodies. Antibodies. Once you check it the table, red blood cell type, red blood cell type A, B, AB and O. Next one, antibodies. Antibodies in plasma. Antibodies are present in plasma. Antibodies are present in plasma and antigens present in RBC, red blood cells. Once check it, antigen of A is antigen A, antibody B. Next, antigen of B is B, antibody is A. Antibodies are absent in AB blood group. Next, in O blood group person, antibodies A and B both are present. Both are present. Next, in AB blood group persons, antigen and A and B both are present. Are present. In O blood group, antigens are absent. Antigens are absent. That's why antigens are absent in the O blood group. That's why O blood group persons are called universal donors. Universal donors. Antibodies are absent in the particular AB blood group persons. That's why AB blood group persons are called universal recipients. Universal recipient. This is about antigen and antibody. Antibodies are present in the liquid form in plasma and antigens are present in the solid form, that is blood cells, that is one of the red blood cells. Next, last topic is blood platelets. Blood platelets are colorless. Blood platelets are colorless, non-nucleated. Next point is the major role of blood platelets are clotting the blood. Why? Because it having one enzyme. That enzyme is called thrombokinase. It having enzymes. In this session, is last topic is the functions of blood. Last topic, blood functions. First point is blood carries digested food from small intestine to pass all the parts of our body. Next point is to regulate gaseous exchange. To regulate gaseous exchange. Next, third one, protect against diseases. Protect against diseases. And last, one more point is to regulate body temperature. To regulate body temperature. This is regarding blood functions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share and like it. Thank you.